Are women really worse than men at computer science? If you look at the numbers, men are the clear majority, with 82% of all computer science degrees. So where are all the women? The easy answer is women are just not as good as men. This argument pops up again and again and again. Even if you don't buy it, it still gets you wondering, where are all the women now? Because they were there at the start. The very first computers weren't machines. They were actually women, whose job was to do complex calculations. Women programmed the earliest computers. So what happened? In 1977, the first personal computer hit the market. No one owned one yet, so companies had to find a way to sell them. A big selling point was being able to play games at home. So computers were marketed to the same people who were already playing video games on consoles and in arcades: boys. This early access to computers was key. By the time these boys got to college, they had years of experience, which gave them confidence. Their professors saw them as the experts. Today, men are still seen as the experts.
I remember one class I took for my master's where I went to office hours. There, one of them said, "Ooh, pretty girl," when I walked in to office hours, which was immediately very off-putting and made me want to turn around and leave.
TV shows cast men as the hackers, 5 times more than women. Computer science is still a male culture, and women are the outsiders. This study shows that when programmers knew the gender of the person's code they were using, they became less likely to select a woman's code. Just because of their gender, not because of their abilities. But here's the thing. There is actually no biological evidence. This study comparing 7 million boys to girls in math found no difference. Boys aren't naturally better than girls at math, but they are set up to succeed. So, here's the good news. It's not biological, it's cultural, which means we can change it. We can introduce girls to computer science early. There are already companies like Piper working on that. Piper teaches kids to build and program computers. They even ran studies comparing boys' and girls' confidence with technology after building computers. Girls started out less confident than boys before building, but after building, their confidence grew by a lot.
I watch hundreds of kids build and program our computer kits from scratch. And you can really notice with girls, after building for an hour or two, they would get so much more confident and excited.
As we've seen before, confidence is key. So are women really worse than men at computer science? The answer is no. The problem is, computer science is a male culture, and there isn't much room for women. But we can make room for girls. By building confidence and getting to them early, we can set girls up to succeed in computer science. Computer science is the language of the future. And why should only half our population get to build our future?
Listen, we at Piper really care about this issue. We want to support girls in computer science. That's why today, we're giving away 10 free Piper computer kits. Let's create a culture of tech that empowers both girls and boys to succeed.